failure to attach or improper attachment and tampering of authorized motor vehicle license plates and or third plate sticker, 5,000. Fraud in relation to the motor vehicle registration and or its renewal, 3,000. All other violations in connection with motor vehicles registration, renewal, operation, 2,000.
Okay. Motor vehicle operating without or with defective, improper, unauthorized accessories. Yung mga unauthorized accessories daw po ay bawal. Ano ba yung mga accessories unauthorized na hindi nyo pwedeng gawin sa inyong motor vehicle? Sa isang private motor vehicle, bawal po ikabit yung may wang-wang. Bawal yan. Yan po ay pinare-register. Pag ang inyong private motor vehicle, hindi nyo pwedeng ikabitan ng blinker. Yung ginagamit na ng ambulansya. Yun, bawal din yun. O, yan po yung mga unauthorized accessories na hindi nyo pwedeng gawin doon sa mga private vehicle nyo. Failure to attach improper attachment, company authorized motor vehicle, license plate or plate sticker. Usually kasi dati, ang ating plate number, ano? Sabi nga, unauthorized sticker. Dati kasi,